Dear students, today we are going to study chapter 14 statistics. In this chapter, you have to study mean, median and mode of grouped data. The topics removed from this chapter are step deviation method for finding the mean and cumulative frequency graph. In class 9, you have studied mean, median and mode of ungrouped data. Let us revise mean or average of an ungrouped data. If the marks obtained by a student in 5 subjects out of 100 be 55, 60, 50, 75 and 45, then the average mark is equal to 55 plus 60 plus 50 plus 75 plus 45 divided by 5 is equal to 285 divided by 5, that is equal to 57. Hence, arithmetic mean or x bar is equal to sum of all the observations upon total number of observations. In class 10, we are going to study how to find out arithmetic mean of grouped data. We will use two methods to find out arithmetic mean. First method is direct method. Second method is assumed mean method. In this video, we will study direct method. For that, let us take an example. Calculate the mean of the following frequency distribution of marks obtained by 30 students in a particular subject. Here, class intervals and corresponding frequencies are given. Take the first class interval, that is 10 to 25. Here, you know that 10 is the lower limit of the class interval and 25 is the upper limit of the class interval. Now look at the second class interval, 25 to 40. Here 25 is the lower limit and 40 is the upper limit. Now this is a continuous frequency distribution tube. Why? Here the upper limit of the first class and lower limit of the second class interval are same. So it is a continuous frequency distribution. Now we find a number which is a representative of the whole class. It is known as the midpoint or class mark. Class mark is the average of its upper limit and lower limit, or class mark is equal to upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. To find out arithmetic mean of grouped data, first of all we find class mark or midpoint of each class interval. Now, class mark of first class interval is 25 plus 10 divided by 2. 35 divided by 2 is equal to 17.5. Now look at the second class interval, 25 to 40. Class mark is 40 plus 25 divided by 2. That is equal to 65 by 2 is equal to 32.5. Similarly, class mark of third class interval is 55 plus 40 divided by 2 is equal to 47.5. Next one, 62.5. Next, 77.5. Next, 92.5. Next column, we multiply each frequency with corresponding class mark and find the sum of all the products. So first we multiply 2 with 17.5 is equal to 35. 3 into 32.5, 97.5. 7 into 47.5 is 332.5. 6 into 62.5, 375. 6 into 77.5 is equal to 465. 6 into 92.5 is equal to 555. Now we add all these numbers. If we add, we will get 1860. Here we denote the sum using a notation known as sigma. It is enlarged capital Greek letter. It is used to denote the sum of values of variables. Now the formula to find out the arithmetic mean. X bar is equal to sum of fi xi upon sum of fi, or sigma fi xi upon sigma fy. Now substitute the values. 1860 divided by 30. 30 is sum of all the frequencies. 1860 divided by 30 is equal to 62. Therefore, arithmetic mean is equal to 62. Now, let us take another example. Example number 2. Using the direct method, find the mean of the following data. Here, the data is given. So, first of all, we will find class mark of each class interval. First class interval 0 to 10. Its class mark is 10 plus 0 divided by 2. That is 5. Next class interval is 10 to 20. Its class mark is 20 plus 10 divided by 2. 15. Next 30 plus 20 divided by 2. 25. Then next is 40 plus 30 divided by 2. 35. Next one is 50 plus 40 divided by 2 is equal to 45. Next column, we will multiply frequency with class mark. 7 into 5, 35. 8 into 15, 120. 12 into 25, 300. 13 into 35, 455. 10 into 45, 450. Now we add all these numbers. You will get 1360 as the sum. Now we will apply the formula. That is, x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. That is 1360 divided by 50 is equal to 27.2. So the mean of this data is 27.2. In this example, we are going to find out the missing frequency. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is ₹18. Find the missing frequency f. The data is given 11 to 13, the frequency is 7. 13 to 15, frequency is 6. 15 to 17, frequency is 9. 17 to 19, frequency is 13. 19 to 21, frequency is not given. 21 to 23, frequency 5. 23 to 25, frequency is 4. Okay. Here also we follow the same method. We follow the same method here. So first of all, find out the class mark of each class interval. So first class interval 11 to 13. So class mark is 12. Next one 13 to 15. Class mark is 14. 15 to 17. Class mark is 16. 17 to 19. Class mark is 18. 19 to 21, class mark is 20. 21 to 23, class mark is 22. 23 to 25, class mark is 24. Now we multiply frequency with the class mark. First one, 7 into 12, 84. 6 into 14, 84. 9 into 16, 144. 13 into 18, 234. F into 20, that is 20F. 5 into 22, 110. 4 into 24, 96. Now we add all these frequencies. First of all, you add all the numbers. 84 plus 84 plus 144 plus 234 plus 110 plus 96. You will get 752 plus 20F. This is the sum of all these numbers. Now you add the frequencies. Frequency 7 plus 6 plus 9 plus 13 plus 5 plus 4 is 44 plus F. That is 44 plus F. Okay. Now we will apply the formula. You are given X bar or mean is equal to 18. Now you apply the formula. X bar is equal to sigma Fi Xi upon sigma Fi. Substitute all the values. X bar 18. So 18 is equal to 752 plus 20F divided by 44 plus F. Now cross multiply. 18 into 44 plus F is equal to 752 plus 20F. Open the bracket. 18 into 44, 792 plus 18 into F, 18F is equal to 752 plus 20F. Now you transform the number. 792 minus 752 is equal to 20F minus 18F. That is 40 is equal to 2F. That is F is equal to 40 divided by 2 is equal to 20. So the missing frequency is 20.